Hello everyone, welcome back to Year A Mathematics, and my name is Victor, and this is not a good time for me to record this video because it's 3 a.m. and as a teacher, I don't recommend doing algebra at 3 a.m. in the morning. You'll be haunted by the mathematician demons, but we still have to learn math anyways, so let's go into math. We're going to be learning time durations in a 24-hour time, because time is one measurement system that we use every day that kind of doesn't really follow the normal rules of decimal maths, and that's why it kind of catches a lot of students. Let's try to tackle it. So first, the 24-hour time. Let me just zoom into here just a little bit for you to easily see. So we use AM for morning and PM for the afternoon, and the clock will reset at midday. At 24-hour time, we keep counting past 12. So as you can see, 3 p.m. right here. We will convert that to, well, if you are used to this process, then you add the 12 hours time here, because this is going to be a writing in a 24-hour time format. Since it's p.m., we just add 12 to the hours, so 3 plus 12, this is going to be 15 p.m. So 3 plus 12 is 15. We write it as 15. Okay, I just wrote as 15. I'm gonna write double zeros here. We don't use colons, and we never use well, technically, if we are writing it in 24-hour time, we will never use AM or PM. We'll just write 1500 hours. Sometimes you can use AM or PM. Okay, so what about 0830? Since the number is less than 1200, so it's still in the morning, so we just put a column back and add AM, because it adds. So we add AM here, so 8:30 AM. What about 1945? It's bigger than 1200, okay? So it is PM. We want to subtract 12 from the hour, so 19 minus 12, this will give us 7. So it is going to be 7:45 p.m. Now, for time durations, going to be a little bit trippy here with the time durations. How much time passes from 8:40 a.m. to 11:15 a.m.? So, again, time is base 60. It's not going to be base 10. Okay, so it's base 60. If you try to do normal subtraction, if you do something like 11.15 minus 8.40, your calculator will treat it as a normal base 10 decimal and give you a completely wrong answer. You don't want to do this. Please do not. There are not 100 minutes in an hour, but there are 60. There are 60 minutes in an hour. So when you're in doubt, of course, this is a channel classic. When you're in doubt, draw it out. So we're gonna draw it out right here. I've drawn a timeline for you guys, but of course there's an answer and whatever not, but we need to look at the whole process of this. So we need to jump from 8:40 to the next whole hour. This is going to take us 20 minutes. So 20 minutes. And then we need to jump from 9 to 11. Okay? To 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. This is going to be an easy 2 whole hours. So far, we have 2 hours and 20 minutes. Now we need to jump from 11 to the finish line at 11:15. That is going to be additional 15 minutes. And so we just need to add these all together. Really. Just 2 hours. We have 2 hours. And then 35 minutes. This 35 minutes comes from the fact that we are adding 20 plus 15 here. And we have 35 minutes. Right there. So the total duration, that if we were to jump from 8:40 to 11:15, would be 2 hours and 35 minutes. So yeah, really, just this is all about time. And if you want like maybe I'll do like another example later. But again, today's habits, just remember that time is base 60, not base 10. So never use the standard decimal subtraction on calculator. Instead, what you want to do is to draw a timeline, because when you're in doubt, draw it out. and jump to the nearest hour. This is going to be foolproof and it's going to save you points. I'll see you next time in the next video. Thanks for watching.